to the Road to ALM, Episode 2, Credential Scanning and Pipeline. In this episode, I'm going to talk about how to get your credentials out of your Git repository by scanning for them in your build pipeline. Why? Because we just don't want credentials in our Git repository. And it happens to all of us. It happens to me, it happens to you, and it even happens to the best of us. So we need to do something about that. We need to get our credentials out of the Git repository and be secure.
Go to this secdevtools.azurewebsites.net website and you will find a bundle of tasks that you can include in your Azure DevOps Pipeline. This task also includes CredScan, and CredScan scans for credentials in your Git repository. It's still in preview, so you have to request access to that. But once you have access, they will share it with your Azure DevOps account and you can include those tasks in your own pipelines. In your Azure DevOps account, just go to your extensions page and include them. Install them like any other extension. Then, in your build pipeline, you can just search for CredScan and you can just add it. That is basically sufficient. You can now scan for credentials in the associated Git repository. But if you also want to do something with it, then you also have to include a publish and maybe a post credential scan. The publish adds the report to your build output, and the post scan fills your build when your repo actually contains credentials. Once you have done that, you can just run your build and you will see your build pass or fail. If your build fails on false positives, create a suppression file, which is a JSON file where you can add regular expressions or just include a hash key that you want to exclude from the false positives. Add the suppression file to your build pipeline and you're good to go. When we have run the credential scan in the build and we take a quick look at the output, which I have formatted already in Excel, you can see all these secrets popping up. And you can also see the hash keys. And the hash keys you can use in the suppression file to maybe exclude false positives. Download these tasks and use them. It's a no-brainer. You don't want secrets in your Git repository. So, do it, scan them, and be secure. I hope you liked this episode of The Road to ALM. If you do, please share it, like it, or send me a remark or comment, and I will get back to you in the next episode. See you soon.